I perished over and over again and again, trapped in a cycle of pain and failure. Each time I rose, I was struck down, forced to watch everything crumble. The weight became too much, and finally I decided it was enough. No more being outnumbered, no more being killed. I formed a battalion.
Grindstone. Someone place your grindstone.
Oh, okay, me.
Your grindstone on the left. Oh yeah.
Oh!
Wait,
You're like,
get on top of the furnace. Get on top of the furnace. I can't up. Let me take the screenshot. We gotta get Dodie. We gotta get Dodie. Oh. Oh. OP. OP. Oh, you want me to come with you? You want me to come back? Oh, I fell. What is the shinobi doing? Let's try lethality on me. Oh, where'd it go? I used it. He's done. He's knocked. Ruby! I'm the rubies. I'm the rubies. Don't worry. I'm healing back to full. I'm gonna get snail. Getting snail. Ripped him. Get him. Ruby shot. Oh. What's the mana shield? Yo. No! Alright, let's go. Retreat. Retreat, where are you? Pick him up. No, he's too fast. Oh, I killed myself. I'm dead. Oh, snail, come down. I just gained it. Snail. Big try getting snail. But if you're safe, come to snail. If you're not, start. What? Get him. He's low. Now he's low. Now he's real low. Get the knee slayer! No. He's not knocked. He's still up. Get the D-Slayer 1 HP. Oh, good. Pick him up, He's alive! Pick him up! Run! I'm good. For now. I'm down again.
How is he shadowless in the water?
Opal!
What? Oh my god!
Wait. He's alive? Kelly.
Oh my god. He's so dead. He's so one.
He's one. He only got out. Holy allies, bro. Get him. Oh wait, I'm gonna get one combo. Nice.
Hello?
He's here! Druid bow! Druid 1! Druid knocked! He's up! He went to almost. I'm closing the doors. Doors are all closed. He's there with me. I'm with him. Let me get good. Oh shoot! His teammate's gonna get him. He's up again. Yo, let me get the grip. I'm behind you. Like, plant. Put him at base for me. Where? How many? Where and how many? I'm lighting my last doors. Give me a minute.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here.
Right there, he's knocked. Woo! He got his friend.
That far. Nice.
He's hit. Spy is gone. Spy is gone. I'm at 1.8k after this. This guy's cameo. This guy's cameo.
Where?
Oh, we're here. We're here. I'm gonna wait a second. I'm max curse tracks. I'm winning this time.
Oops.
Another life. Back, run back in maze. Run back in maze.
Yo, don't go dead.
He's low. He's knocked. I got him. I'm Frostbite. Are you serious?
Oh yeah.
Chase him. There. He popped so many more. No, I'm chasing that. Deep forest.
Why are we?
Deep forest.
No.
I'm kinda.
No.
I'm fighting. Oh, I'm frostbited. I'm far over here. Come over here. I'm carrying him.
No.
He held that midair. You chase him. He's low. No.
There's two on him. Oh, his teammate's here.
Oh, there's a.
Hello?
That was supposed to be
Try
like.
to get me.
I am.
Yes, dodges. Oh! No, GG! Nice. Didn't that work? GG, let me grip.
Have you ever played soccer? Alright, well, time to progress Fungo. Oh!
Get him.
Who is Ari Flyboy?